Nagparasailing me for today's video kay timing nga nindot kaayo ang panahon ug nindot pod kay nagpromo sila. Medyo pricey biya pod ning mga water sports activities depende kung asa ta nga resort manukad. So kami ani naami sa J Park Hotel. Ang ilahang parasailing is 3,000 pesos per head, minimum of 2 packs. So maski ikaw ra isa ang musakay, ang imuhang bayaran is ang 6,000 gyud. So, nagpromo man sila, nahimo na lang 2,400 per head. Then, ang among nabayad, kay duhaman mi is 4,800. That is for 12 minutes only, guys. Dugay na ko gusto mo try aning parasailing, katupang nagburakay mi. Pero sa time nga magpa-register na unta mi, nitukar man akong kulba, o cancel lang usa. Karon nga nakasuway nako, ang ako ang masulti is dili man day siya hadlok. Nice kaayo sa pamati, labi na og naa na ka sa taas. Relaxing ra kaayo. Pero kung mutukar imong kahadlok, nya naa na ka sa taas, pwede ra ka mo sinyas nila nga magpanaog na ka. Kaya lang sayang kaayo imong nabayad kay di naman gyud to ma-refund. By the way, pwede ra dieta makadala og kuyog without extra charge para naay maka-video nato kung naa na ta sa taas. Before mag-start, kay musahin sa dieta og waiver. Kana nakasulat nga wala sila'y tulubago nato in case makuyapan or atakihon simbako sa kahadlok.
Rub it in. Don't rub it in for daddy.
Ready? Set, go! Grabe. Oh my god, they're so far! In here, 2, 5.
God. My arse is getting right the cold there. No, but quite nice actually, isn't it, darling?
Yeah, oh.
You know what? To be honest with you, I'm glad you told me to come. Good girl, love you.
Darling,
So nice.
I'm taking a video. Love you. They're
Very
taking
nice.
a video of us. Yeah.
Just be careful what you're doing now. You're pulling us.
Huh?
No. God. Going higher and higher.
Oh yeah. I don't notice that.
My God, my arse is dropping down.
No, just come down.
Very nice.
Sabihin ito na.
15 times. Grabe no. Pero sa 5 kay awa. Uy,
Woo! J Park.
So nice, really. I think they're only allowed to go so far. Then they should
Darling.
really have seats, really, shouldn't they?
Darling.
I don't know about you, but mine.
Huh?
It's very uncomfortable sitting on like this, isn't it?
No. For me, it's okay.
Really, my arse is sticking out. If my bum looked too big in it.
Darling. Look how deep. My gosh.
You enjoying yourself?
Yes,
West
I
side.
am. West side.
Make sure you hold on properly
Hi.
at the bottom.
Yes. Woo!
And what did he say? water will come to our waist.
Ay, when they go down, bring us
Yeah,
down.
I know
Oh.
that. I noticed that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
West side.
West side. Oh my God.
Do this.
Look, I don't know how many feet high.
That's actually quite a couple of 100 feet easy.
Oh yeah.
See, getting closer and closer.
Yeah.
This is where it drops down.
Mm,
Look, can you see it?
yeah. Yeah. Wala, it dropped naman sa water.
That
Woo!
was my ass.
Lingaw kayo para si